I could be a Pharisee.
Yes, Slideshow!
Who the hell is that?
Oh, only the most intelligent being alive.
I am sorbitol, maltol,
my
xylitol,
sister.
mannitol, calcium carbonate, soy lecithin, vegetable derived glycerin, and
Don't worry, I got this. I just
You can
kids.
call me.
Pop this, eat French.
For 20 years, I was stuck under the desk of a brilliant scientist. I was scraped off and discarded, and eventually found myself stuck to a shoe that dropped me here. Your home is a supermarket.
Oh, they're the whoopsters. Whoopsters, I have whoopsters.
Is ever expanding, unified by a singular purpose to store food and products for human consumption.
When they go practice.
The supermarket in the physical vicinity to us is here. If the human operates his automotive, the journey should take 9.8 minutes.
Great, that last part was all you had to say, really. Hey, wake up! Hey, idiot! Are you hearing me? Dude!
That shit!
What? Huh? Oh. What the fuck is this doing here? Oh, yeah. Bath salts. I can't believe I was actually talking to you, sausage. God, tripping balls for 3 hours really works up an appetite.
What? No promise to decoy that 60. Hey!
What are you doing?
The human is no longer aware of the fourth dimension. The effects of the opiate have dissipated. Your speech and movements are imperceptible to him. We are totally fogged.
Ah, man, you lose and now they're gonna treat you in the no! Oh, what?
Put me down! Come on, put me down! Oh, God!
Never this isn't gonna go in.
No!
Oh boy,
What the fuck is this?
please change us.
I gotta show them. They need to know how wrong they all are before it's too late.
Okay. Cupcakes are really tiny.
Mars.
Where have you been? Oh, I'm surprised that savage Lavash didn't stone you to death. You had to travel with a bagel? How much did his dirty hands steal from you? A ton.
What are you doing out of a package? It's almost red, white, and blue day. Hello?
Well, you know, it's a long, pretty sad story, actually, and I'd rather not get into it right now, but...
Well, okay, what the fuck are you doing?
Nope. This is not believing the end. Oh.
I'm fucking jacked up now, bro.
Bloody scissors!
Club lemonade. Lend me your ears. Of corn.
Uncle, are you there?
I'm Frank.
Chaz, Papa, are you
And
there?
I am a sausage.
Nas, teacher, are you
A
there?
real sausage with
Lawrence,
some pretty
Uncle.
big news.
Lawrence, coach.
Everything we've been led to believe is a
Warriors,
lie.
kids, are
We
you
get
there?
chosen by
Three
the gods,
ninjas,
they're choosing us for
word.
death. Murder.
Done it.
Automatic expiration. The great
Elsa's
beyond
girlfriend.
is bullshit.
Anna, are you
That's
Joey?
crazy talk.
Goddess,
I know you don't want to believe
kids.
it, but I have proof.
Angus, AT, are you there?
It's murder.
No.
This makes no sense.
What about the extra virgin
But
olive oil?
yeah.
My flats will be dry.
I lost.
I can't have dry flats. I can't.
Okay, whoa, easy, guys, easy. Look, I have a plan. We can run.
I can't run. I'll melt.
Okay, then we'll hide.
Where? I'm huge.
Then we'll fight.
I ain't fighting alongside a bunch of fruits.
Whatever, you nut job. So we cannot run, we cannot hide, and we
And
cannot
eating
stand up to them
happy.
because they're
True
fucking
and Ox,
gods.
Uncle,
And they're
no.
more
Prince,
gods.
iPad's
Basically,
sister,
they're
are you
no
there?
hope,
No.
and they're
Oh, no. It's about the shoot police dog.
Or this. I don't like bad things.
Me either. We choose the more pleasant thing.
Yeah, I mean, what this sausage is saying, it's just the theory.
No, it's not a theory, you morons. It's a fact. I'm showing you physical evidence. Open your fucking eyes. Don't be so weak.
Oh, Frank, what are you doing?
You, senor, have no bedside manner.
What bedside manner?
You don't respect anyone else's beliefs.
You intolerant.
Your rules. Say right how.
No, it's starting. No.
Don't enter a dog.
No.
No! Don't you do it wrong.
Come on, Larry, you can do it.
Try now. Wait. Don't you do it? No! Oh my God! No! Please! Of course, you have to say knee. I got to have no longevity. Let's do it. Knee. So what? Grass is natural. Children. Darn it.
Did you take a shower?
Hey,
Did you take a shower?
doesn't mean it's too late
Yeah?
to redeem yourself. Take it from me.
Gary.
Barry? Is this real? You're alive.
You bet your sweet butthole I am.
But how?
I'll tell you,
Yeah.
the gods can be... Excuse me.
The gods.
Are they cute?
Oh, fucking what the fuck?
I know, look at this fucking guy. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. I'm dead now.
Take a shower.
I've been on a bad path for years. Let me tell you the story of my stupid fucking dad. No! No! No!
My guy's eating.
5-second rule.
Where's all your trash? Look at this. Your trash. Hey, don't just throw trash on the ground. Get across all kinds of bugs. Hello? Are you listening?
I started like kneeing.
You know, when you guys fell out of that court, I could have done something, but I didn't. And I did the same thing as they They killed Carl.
Understand?
Those fuckers.
No, oh yeah, he did.
Did you go to the other
They
bathroom?
truly are monsters.
Yeah, and those monsters are gonna kill Brenda. She's somewhere out there in a cart. I tried to warn everyone, but they didn't believe me.
Of course they didn't. You just
I
called
need
them all a
to
bunch of
hell
fucking
no
idiots. You can't just
Jordans.
slam their beliefs. You have to show them that there's a better way. You need to inspire them like you inspired me.
I need hope.
Hope? Well, how the fuck